Jai Sriman Now Bharata is introducing, saying that, "Ho Maharshi, here is Kausalya Devi. She is looking so down. She is filled up with so much of grief, and she does not even eat much because of this grief. That is why she became so sick, and she is crying a lot. But with the glow that she is looking like a great Devata Murti. She is the one, the first queen of this entire kingdom, Dasaratha Maharaja's first wife. And also she is the mother of such a great man, and the one who walks like a great lion, Simha Vikranta Gaminam. She is the mother of Sri Ramachandra Swami. She is Kausalya Devi. And also, O Maharshi, right next to Kausalya Devi, on left side, while touching my Kausalya Devi, there is another mother. Her name is Sumitra. She is taking care of Kausalya Devi. She is the one who gave birth to Lakshmana and Shatrughna, who are the equivalent of Aswini Devatas. O Maharshi, now I would like to introduce other mother, the one who is right standing over there. She is the one reason behind Sita Rama Lakshmana's Aranyavasam. She is the one reason behind our father Dasaratha Maharaja's death. She is my mother. O Maharshi, she is the one who always will be in so much of angry. O Maharshi, she is the one who is always craving for so many Aishwarya Kamam Kaikeyim, so many pleasures and comforts. O Maharshi, she is the one, Druptam Subhagamaninim, always will be in so much of proud and will always think that she thinks that she is most beautiful woman of this world. O Maharshi, not only that, Anaryam Arya Rupinim, she does not deserve any respect. O Maharshi, she does not deserve any kind of recognition. O Maharshi, but still she thinks that she looks like she is most honorable lady. O Maharshi, she is filled up with so much of cruelty. She is filled up with always bad, evil thoughts. Such is my mother, O Maharshi. Because of her, because of this Kaikeyi, eto moolam hi pasyami, vesanam mahat atmanaha, the entire disaster, she is the main reason behind it. Like this, Bharata was with so much of angry. He is introducing his own mother Kaikeyi to Bharadwaja Maharshi, and Bharata moving to tears a lot. With all that, his throat also getting so much dried. Bashpagadgadaya gira. Bharata's eyes also got so much red. Kruddho naga ivasvesan, as and how when there is so much angry in a big serpent, how that big serpent breathes heavily, like that Bharata is also breathing heavily, and now stopped talking to Bharadwaja Maharshi. Now Bharadwaja Maharshi, after listening from Bharata about Kaikeyi, now Bharadwaja Maharshi responding back to Bharata, saying like this. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Srimannarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimannarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.